you have picked up, and you will get that Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled paper, a peck of pickled paper, Peter Piper picked. Right? This is a tongue twister. So when you are speaking this tongue twister, you are clearing your voice. Right? You are training your voice, your muscles, your tongue for P sound. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled paper, pick of pickled paper, Peter Piper picked. Gradually you will increase speed. Betty bought the butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. You are exercising. Right? बॉडी बनाने के लिए जिम जाते हैं, रनिंग करते हैं, योगा करते हैं. In the same way, if you want to become a good communicator, good speaker, if you want clarity in your voice, then you have to do this exercise. Leaders, actors, they all do this. Before hosting any show, they practice this, because once you do this, when you will go for real communication, all the things will become easier for you. Right? So that is why don't take these things for granted. Right? These are very, very, very effective exercise what you all have to do. If you are really serious about your communication. And let me tell you that without communication, nothing is possible. Communication is important. Tomorrow you will give interview, communication. Tomorrow you will host any show, communication. You will become leader, communication. Right? For this I want to introduce a water tank concept. This is water tank. Right? Water tank is your mind. Okay? And this is what? Tap. Okay? Water in this. But if tap is blocked, if I open it little bit, so flow will be slow.
Yes.
Right? But if I open it like this, then flow will increase.
Yes, sir.
Right? Same thing is happening in English, spoken English as well. We have English like this, stand in mind. Right?
Yes, sir.
And this is concept. This is our mouth. English and mouth. We have blocked this because we don't practice. So how we can expect that we are going to become a fluent English speaker? So what we need to do? We need to open it. How we will open it? By speaking English, by doing tongue twisters, by reading aloud. Right? So, yes, please. Tongue twisters आपके माउथ मसल्स को, टंग को ट्रेन करेंगे और इस टैब को ओपन कर देंगे. देन आपकी जो इंग्लिश यहां पर है, इंग्लिश सबके दिमाग में बहुत है, बस वो हमारे हैबिट में नहीं है. दैट इज द रीजन इट्स नॉट कमिंग आउट. वंस वी डू प्रैक्टिस लाइक दिस, you will see automatically you will start speaking English, because now your voice, your tongue and your mouth is familiar with this language. Right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
See, I will give you lecture, I will go